Welcome to TeluguOne Food. Myself Kiran. Today I am going to show you how to make roasted onion and potato soup. Potato, onion, carrot, garlic. We have oil, cream, oregano, pepper, salt and little bit of thyme. So now I am going to start with some oil, garlic, onion. Potato. Pepper, dry oregano, salt, some thyme. So now I am going to add some vegetable stock. So all the vegetables are cooked and now I am going to add a little bit of roux. So now what you need to do is you have to make a puree of it. I am going to add some pepper, salt, some butter. Now I am going to add cream. So soup is almost ready. So finally we are done with roasted onion and potato soup. So it's very easy to make it home also. So you guys also can try, and thank you very much.